Hey guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time to come here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to click the tiny bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here in this channel. Today, as you can see in the title down below, I made a swap again together with a YouTube friend. But she's not a YouTuber, but you can follow her in her Instagram. I will put her links down below if you're interested what I gave to her. Ayan. Kasi, ayun, she asked me if she can swap with me kahit hindi daw siya YouTuber kasi nakita ata niya yung mga swap namin with Sis Tressie. So, ayun, I said yes and our max is 1,000. Tapos, sinabi ko kung ano lang yung mga gusto ko. Ako naman kasi, guys, kung ano-ano lang, okay na ako doon. Kaya, ano yun, siya din, nagbigay din siya ng list niya and yun. Let's start! I'm so excited to see what is inside this package. No, don't look at the address. So, wala si Bebe. Dati kasi pag nag-unboxing ako, dito si Bebe. Pero, fortunately, wala siya. Inantay ko pa na nakaalis talaga siya. Kasi wala na akong time para mag-film, guys. Together with her, ayun, nakaalis siya. Nasa Manila siya for the weekends. So, yun guys. Sorry. TMI na. So, let us open this one. Ano ba to? Go LBC. Yeah. Love it. Ooh. So, what do we have in here? Naka-tape pa talaga siya. Ayan. So, this is her pack of goodies. Ayan. Sobrang cute. Nakalagay dito, thank you. And thank you so much din, Sis Angelica. Her name pala is Angelica. So, yan. Let's... Girl, na-excite na ako mag-unbox. Kasi gusto ko itong mga... Feeling ko gusto ko itong mga to. Oh, the first one is this. Ang tawag dito, makeup sponge. Blending sponge. Parang ganon. In color pink. Let's see. Ooh, malambot siya. Mas malambot to kaysa dun sa isang sponge ko. Nasaan na yung sponge ko? This is my sponge. Mas matigas to. Ito yung binili ko sa 168. Ito malambot siya. Oh. Hindi ko alam. Sana mag-e-expand siya. Let's see kung mag-e-expand. And then, she got me Koji-san. Kasi alam niya, lagi kong binibili. Or lagi kong ginagamit tong Koji-san. Hindi ko alam kung nilagay ko ba sa product wishlist ko. Kasi sa kanya, may pinaano naman siya na sabon. And then, another, inuna ko talaga sa ilalim. Another Kojic naman siya na acid soap. Parang Koji-san din siya kasi may sticker siya ng Koji-san. I just don't know. Ayan. And then, meron din ako, oh my god. This is the wax that I have used before. Pero hindi ko na to ginagamit. Yung isang ganito yung ginagamit ko, yung yellow, but gagamitin ko ulit to kasi ako yung nagwa-wax dito sa armpits ko. And another one is, of course, argan oil. Nanonood talaga to. I think I made a review of this product. Oo, meron akong review ng product na to. If you're interested, guys, kasi gustong-gusto ko. Ito yung favorite ko na makeup remover na wipes. Ayan, I will also put the link of that review down below para makita nyo kung gaano siya ka-effective. And then, she got me this. What is this? Woo! This is a mushroom brush. Hala, gusto ko. Hala, paano ko ito i-open, girl? Ayaw magpa-open? Wait a minute. Ayan, girl. Gusto ko talaga to. Yung mushroom brush na puti, na mataba. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko to. Ay, buti na lang hindi pa ako bumibili kasi dapat bibili ako sa sa Shopee na naman sana. Puro online shop. Pero thank you! Ayan, meron na ako. Hindi na ako bibili. And she got me a pouch here na punong-puno pa rin ng product. So, let's see kung ano laman. And sa list ko, alam ko naman, kailangan ko yung mga yung mga eye white kasi favorite ko talaga. So, she got me 2 purifying balm, pore purifying balm, and then 2 aqua moisturizer, whitening Vita. Ang dami And also the 2-minute whitening miracle. I also made a review of that product, guys. I will put the link down below. Ang dami ko nang ginawa pa ng review. And also the BB Holic, hindi ko to na-review. Ayan. And of course, she got me this facial cream whitening Vita. Maganda to, guys, na pang pang makeup base kasi meron siyang SPF 15. Maganda siya talaga. Tapos, namamatify niya yung makeup. For me, namamatify niya eh. Also, she got me 3 masks from Beauty Buffet. These are the 365 Daily Masks in the Black Pearl Whitening Mask, Royal Jelly Nourishing Mask, and the Cherry Blossoms Whitening Masks. Ayan. Alam niya talaga yung mga ginagamit ko. Girl, ha? And, of course, ang daming mask! Grabe! This is the Fresh Collagen Mask Sheets. Ayan. Meron siya. And then, meron pang charcoal and then collagen. I don't know if these are from Watsons. I'm not masyadong familiar kasi yung mga, kung ano lang kasi ginagamit ko, yun lang yung tinitingnan ko. And then, she got me, what is this? Oh! What is this? I think this is a Velcro something. Ayan. Yeah, Velcro. Bakit parang bow naman ang nangyayari? But I don't know. Basta Velcro siya. And then, ito, nirequest ko to sa kanya. This is from Glad King. Sabi ko, pag makapunta ka ng Divisoria, sis, sabi ko, bilang mo nga ako ng Velcro. Ito yung Velcro na para pag nag-makeup ka. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ganon. Ay, tingnan mo. Sumunod na yung hair ko. And yeah. And also, this makeup bag. Kailangan ko yan, girl. Those are the things that she got me for the swap. Thank you so much, Sis Angelica, sa pagkikipag-swap sa akin. And if you are a YouTuber also na gusto niyo makipag-swap, ayun, max na namin yung 1,000. Kasi, para madaming gastos kasi ngayon. Kaya, okay na yan. Nagagamit namin lahat yan. So, I'm so excited. I'm so thankful sa swap na to. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you liked it, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and also share. And if you have Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me with the username Joy of Mia. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!